Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on push notifications on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this will work for iPhone, iOS, and Android devices. Just want to put it out there. So anyway, you're going to go navigate to your TikTok profile, select the profile button at the bottom right if you're unsure how to get to this page, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, select settings and privacy. Underneath content and display, select notifications, and then underneath notifications at the top, select push notification schedule. Go ahead and click inside of here. If you want to have push notifications turned off, just have it toggled to the left here. So the little circle should be on the left side and it should be all grayed out in here. So that's pretty much all you have to do about disabling push notifications. If you wanted to enable push notifications, you could just toggle it to the right and that would turn them on. So pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.